Now we were left up with the two last rules of the convex lens. Image is formed. Two cases we have left up. We will be discussing that in this. Now in last two diagrams, we will be doing the case when the object is at focus f1 and the object is between optical center and f1. So for fifth rule, this would be the image formed. This is the convex lens. This is the principal axis we have drawn, and this is the optical center. Here the point is C1 or 2F1. Here the point is C2 or 2F2. Now the focus point is over here, F1 point. If the object is lying over here, it goes parallel to principal axis. It will pass through the focus on other side, and second ray of light will go parallel. Both will go parallel. Both will go parallel. Since they will not actually meet, they will meet at a far off place called infinity. So image characteristics are image formed at infinity, number one. Second, real inverted. And third is if object is over here and image is formed at infinity, size will be quite large. Size will be large than object. Thank you. Now is the last case which we are discussing, when the object is between optical center and focus. This is optical center and this is focus. Here is the object, a ray of light parallel to principal axis, passes through focus, passing through optical center, goes as it is. It will not meet in right direction. We have to make a virtual image for that. It will meet behind this 2F1 or C1 point, and it will form a virtual image. Only one case the virtual image is formed. A dash B dash is the image, AB is the object. Here also AB was the object. Now image characteristics are image is virtual and erect. Magnified, formed on same side of object, formed on same side as object. So these are the 6 cases along with the rules which I have sent you the video. Kindly have a glance of it, kindly view it again and again. Also subscribe my channel so that you can be updated throughout the videos which I will be uploading. Thank you. That's all for today. Thank you.